Man, I haven't done any of these talks in a while. What's good, everybody on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel here at The Dad Life. I hope everyone is having a blessed and healthy day today. In today's video, man, we're gonna do a little sneaker talk. I haven't done a sneaker talk in a while, so hey, if you guys are new here, please consider subscribing to my channel. I normally do these sneaker talks here and there, so hey, if you guys enjoyed this information video about some sneakers, make sure you guys smash that like button as well as turn that bell button below to be notified when all my videos do go up. We are on the road to 4,000 subscribers. We just hit 3.7 thousand subscribers, so I appreciate all the love and support. So today we are going to talk about some hype sneakers that are coming out this week. Specifically, we are going to talk about the Off-White exclusively for women's sizes Air Jordan 4 Off-White in the Cell colorway. You guys already know this morning that Nike surprisingly had an Nike exclusive access to specific accounts for only females, and I think this is like the first time that Nike has ever done this where they actually had ladies first exclusive accounts. If you guys want to enter any of the raffles, make sure you guys check out sneakernews.com. There is so many boutiques and online raffles that are going on this week, so make sure if you guys really want this sneaker, make sure you guys put in that work. I entered all the raffles that Sneaker News provided, so like I said, make sure you guys check out Sneaker News. If you guys are one of those people wondering how you guys could get this for retail, make sure you guys look at the description down below. It will show you all the retail stores, boutiques that are getting this sneaker. Specifically for Saturday, a lot of people are going to be on Sneakers app. That is probably the #1 app that a lot of people are going to be entering for this sneaker. I've never hit on a W on limited sneakers, so I'm really not expecting a W. Let me know in the comments below if you guys got a W on the exclusive access this morning. Let me know in the comments below as well. I do want to talk about resale value. I feel like these Off-White 4s, I feel like the prices are going to drop down a little bit. Like if you look at the resale value right now, they're about at $1,400 to $1,500 in resale value. I feel like this sneaker is gonna drop down to at least $800 to $700. That's in my opinion, guys. Let me know your guys' predictions right now in the comments below. Let me know what your guys' prediction is. Do you guys think this sneaker is going to drop in value? And I think the reason why the prices are pretty high is because it's a Jordan 4 silhouette. The only Off-White sneakers that I do have in my collection when it comes to Nike is the Off-White 5s. As you guys can see, I believe these came out on NBA All-Star Weekend. And then the Prestos, the black colorway that was released last year, I believe. I know the Prestos are probably going for like $1,000, $1,200 dead stock, and these ones specifically I want to talk about too when it comes to resale value. I think resale value is about $700 to $800. When I look at the Jordan 5s, these Jordan 5s were going around $1,500 to $1,200 before release. These were going for a lot of money, and then when they released, it dramatically dropped. Don't get me wrong, Jordan 5 is not the most popular silhouette when it comes to Jordan, but in my personal opinion, you guys may think I'm crazy, I prefer the Off-White Jordan 5s over the Jordan 4s. That's just in my opinion. I feel like it's going to be around the $700 and $800 range once the hype kind of dies down, once everyone gets their pairs. I'm going for this sneaker 100%. To rock, probably not. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, if I get a W on this sneaker, I'm definitely going to invest in this sneaker to get those SB Grateful Deads. You guys are gonna call me a hype beast for that, but I've been rocking a lot of dunks lately. I feel like dunks look really good on my feet versus a Jordan 4. I really want to know your guys' thoughts and opinions. Make sure you guys enter all the raffles. I know one store that is getting them is Foot Locker, not in this area in San Diego. There is a store in LA, I believe it's on Broadway. I entered that raffle on Foot Locker app, so I'm praying that I'll get a W on this sneaker. That would be really crazy. I definitely put in the work, and you guys should too. I really want to know your guys' thoughts and opinions about this sneaker. I want to know your guys' predictions when it comes to resale value. Do you guys think this sneaker is going to drop, or is it just going to keep going up? So that's my personal opinion on this sneaker and this release. I know I haven't done these sneaker talks in a while, so if you guys do enjoy the sneaker talks, make sure you guys drop a thumbs up on this video. It really helps the channel grow, guys. I really appreciate all the love and support you guys been giving me. So if you guys are new here, like I said, give your boy a chance and subscribe to the channel. We are on the road to 4,000 subscribers. I have a lot more content on the way. I can't wait for all these releases. So like I said, guys, that is pretty much it for the video. And make sure you guys wash your hands, stay safe, stay blessed. And like I said, man, I'll see you guys in the next video. This is the Dad Life, signing in, signing out. Peace.